Is it time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Broadcom. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Broadcom as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.83. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 40.71% since we first listed Broadcom as a buy candidate 47 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.87% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a strong upward trend in the short term, and indications suggest that this trend will continue. The present 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 73.46% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 70.34% to 81.87%. When we consider the longer term, our analysis over the next 12 months projects a change of around 42.42%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 10.82% to positive 48.47% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price between $236.10 and $393.06. Our latest daily update for Broadcom includes the headline, Broadcom stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to buy candidate after Tuesday trading session. The Broadcom stock price experienced a decline of approximately 4% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, dropping from $275.65 to $264.74. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 4.47%, ranging from a low of $262.66 to a high of $274.40. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 5.01% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume increased on the last day by 4 million shares. Despite the falling prices, this could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 29 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $7,630 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock reached $277.71, while the lowest price was $128.50. Currently, the stock price is 4.67%, or $12.97, below the 52-week high of $277.71, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Broadcom, with the stock symbol AVGO, has been highlighted as a strong buy amid a robust rally in the tech sector. As of July 1st, 2025, Broadcom remains a top contender within the portfolio of high-yield dividend stocks, boasting an attractive forward dividend yield of 3.54%. Analysts have recently reiterated a buy rating, lifting the price target to $315 per share, which illustrates confidence in the company's growth trajectory. The demand for Broadcom's semiconductor solutions, particularly in artificial intelligence and networking, is on the rise, with the company reporting a remarkable growth of 46% in AI-related revenues last quarter and predicting a growth rate of 60% in 2025. The partnerships with major clients, such as Google and Meta, are poised to further drive this growth, suggesting a promising outlook for the company. In the short term, the bullish sentiment around Broadcom is likely to sustain upward momentum in its stock price as the tech sector rebounds, marked by significant gains in other major players. In the long term, with the anticipated acceleration of AI investments and infrastructure development, Broadcom could solidify its position as a leader in the semiconductor market. This combination of strong demand, strategic partnerships, and analyst optimism creates a compelling case for investors looking to capitalize on sustained growth in AVGO. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned a buy rating to AVGO, accompanied by an upgrade action. On Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, Cowen & Company reported a buy rating for AVGO along with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Evercore ISI also rated AVGO as outperform while suggesting a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, Citigroup gave AVGO a buy rating, paired with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Barclays assigned AVGO an overweight rating along with a hold suggestion. Analysts have assigned Broadcom stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Broadcom. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 30th of June, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by approximately 4%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also been noted, and these could influence short-term developments. The Broadcom stock displays a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $266. Conversely, as it falls, the stock may find support from the long-term average at around $246. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average Convergence Divergence. This indicates a sell signal. Pivots. A sell signal was noted 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands. A buy signal was identified 2 days ago. The short-term moving average. This also indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average. A buy signal was recognized 48 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages. This pointed to a buy signal 46 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 49 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 30 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Broadcom. Broadcom finds support from accumulated volume at $259.93. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $11.74 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.47%. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.73%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Broadcom, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is expected on the 4th of September 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.66. Keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Broadcom. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Broadcom is at $269.35. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Broadcom encounters its first support level at $259.93. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Broadcom from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 26th of June, 2025, Tan Hawk E conducted an insider sale of 40,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 mil. On the same day, Gala J. Delhi conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 mil. On the 25th of June, 2025, Henry Samueli conducted an insider sale of 153,812 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 mil. Also, on the 25th of June, he conducted another insider sale of 162,917 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 mil. On the same day, he conducted yet another insider sale of 42,141 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 mil. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 37.857. Overall, insiders purchased 2,142,698 shares and sold 4,259,843 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $253.61, reflecting a decrease of 4.2%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? Several signals and indicators are currently negative, which we believe will impact developments in the coming days and possibly over the next few weeks. Nevertheless, over time, we see today's level as a potential buying opportunity, anticipating that the price will rise during or by the end of this 3-month period. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of July, we expect Broadcom to open higher by $2.53 and start trading at $267.27. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.